Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat is saying too many friends on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now to solve this problem, even if you are an Android or Apple user, just simply open your Snapchat application at first. And after opening your Snapchat application, just simply go to your profile of Snapchat by tapping to your Bitmoji. And after that, after going into your profile, you just simply have to scroll down a bit and then you will find this option of My Friends into here. Now click into that option and then you can see all of your friends into this My Friends section. Now what you have to do is to remove unnecessary or the friends that are inactive into your Snapchat. After removing the person that you don't want, you can add a new friend into your Snapchat. In order to remove the friend, just simply long tap to the name of the friend and after that you can see this manage friendship option. Now this is AI, so my manage friendship section is not showing the remove or block option, but whenever you tap to the ID of the real person, it will show the option to block or remove friend and then you can remove that inactive friend from here. Now the second solution here is to upgrade your Snapchat into a premium account. Then after that you can add more friends into your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.